Hi everyone, so not your typical video today. I'm going to be making my own weed killer. I had a look online and it's about £30 for 5 litres in a spray bottle. All varies, different sizes, which is dear. So I'm going to show you how to make your own for cheap. So with no further ado, let's get into it and kill some weeds. So this is an effective way to kill your weeds for cheap, just using some household appliances. We have white vinegar, which is 5%, which is good for young weeds. For tougher and thicker weeds, I will go with 10 to 20% horticultural vinegar. What we're going to need is a gallon of vinegar, which is about 4.5 litres UK, 3.8 litres American. We're going to need a tablespoon of dish soap, washing up liquid, and a cup full of salt. We're going to also be using a spray bottle, so I'll get that out now and we'll make our weed killer. I'm going to add the washing up liquid and the salt first. So we need a tablespoon of that. About there. It looks about right. Then we're going to want a cup full of salt. Can I top that top off? Please, our lasses not in, I've pinched that cup. The big litres of white vinegar you can get 2 off Amazon for about £7, £8. The salt is £1.19. It's got the price on it there. The washing up liquid would be about £1, wouldn't it? No price on that. It's just a cheap shite anyway, so it'd be nice and cheap that. We've added our washing up liquid. I'm going to add the salt now. The salt helps dehydrate the plant by the weeds, so it draws all the moisture out of the leaves, killing it off. So that's why we're using the salt. And the salt adds as a suffocatant, which helps breaking down the surface of the tension of the liquid which is held in the leaves. So the white vinegar is acidic, which acts as well as the salt helps draw all the moisture out of the leaves. I didn't know the technical terms, I'm very good. What I'm going to do is just add a little bit of white vinegar in first, give it a mix so it all dissolves. Then we have our 4.5 litres, which is just over 4.5 for a gallon. On the bugger because my hands is hurting. Put that in. Oh boy, best open the window. So we're just going to add a little bit of white vinegar in first. And I want to give it a good shaky. Don't want to go on too crackers because we'll have all the foam coming out the top. And now I want to top it up till we get just above the 4.5 litre. Just about there. 160 ounces, that'll do. You know what, I could have just poured that in. I'll leave it the way it is. I'll screw the top on, I'll give it another little shake and make the mix thoroughly. The correct timing on this is on a hot warm day, so it helps react and draw the moisture out quicker. It is warm outside, but it's not very sunny, so I'm still going to do the weeds and give it a go on that. When spraying, carefully coat the leaves of the weeds thoroughly, avoiding overspraying into your garden or your flowers, because it will kill your flowers. Don't put it on your bonsais, it's not for your bonsais, it's just for the weeds in the garden. The salt can build up in the soil and render it barren until it all comes out, so do be careful with it. Only spray it on the weeds what you want to spray on. So with a bit of luck, this should dehydrate the weeds pretty quickly within a couple of days. Keep pets and children away from the treated areas for at least 24 hours, just to be on the safe side. So I'll get the camera outside and we'll go weed killing. So there's the price of the weed killer on now. 28 quid for 5 litres. I made this for less than a tenner. Alright, a Ghostbuster. I'm just going to give everything a good coat. I've got plenty to use. Try and coat all the leaves so it dries right out. hope I get rid of this purple shit because it's like a nick. I won't show you us doing the full garden. I'm just showing you a little bit because I want to go out the front and do that and all while I've got it mixed. So like I said, I'm not going to show you us doing all the weeds. What we'll do is we'll come back in a few days and see what it's like. So I've just sprayed the weeds and it's starting to rain. Sod's law. So less than 24 hours after I put the weed killer on, as you can see, it's starting to work. Plus it started raining when I done it. So we'll have a look tomorrow. I'll give it another coat just in case the rain washed it off. As you can see, the weed killer works really well. It's only 2 days later and everything's died off. So I thought I'd get some more of the deck painted. Get the garden tidied up a little bit. I haven't got the bench painted yet, but I've got a few bits of trees on. I'm just trying to get some space because I think I'm running out. Well, that's just a little quick video on how to make your own fertiliser. Please don't spray the bugger in your trees. It only takes a couple of days to work. So get out there and make your own. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the tree video soon. Ta-da, folks!